Hi, this is mhhan, representative of Lamed Labs. We support software developers and testers who challenge zero defects. So I started the Tooltip-Cooltip channel of software testing. The first topic is the unit test. Unit testing refers to performing tests on specific units, such as unit functions, modules, or classes. Today, we are going to look at Java-based unit tests. Let's take a look at how to add and perform unit test cases in the Eclipse IDE. The first step is generating test code which contains test cases. Let's say you've already created the file you want to test. For example, logic.java. I'm going to make a new test case file. On the file, right click, new, and press the jUnit test case. You may select or setting properties of the test case file. I'm going to press finish. So test case file is ready. If you didn't test before, you may not have the jUnit library. Then you can see the pop-up message box. Then you can press OK. And then let's create and run test cases. The first step is generating test cases. Enter the test case in the test case file you created earlier. For example, logic.test.java. You can see a method void test, and I will add a test case in that. I typed assert equals and two parameters. The first one is the expected result 0, and the second parameter is actual values. Then we are ready to run test. The last step is executing test cases and checking the result. Select the test case file and then right click, then run as jUnit test. Press OK. The test result tab is created, and you can see the test result. The red bar means fail. Why did it fail? Let's take a closer look at the next time. Today we have created test case file creation and test case creation. Lastly, test case execution and result confirmation process. Did you help? For software developers and testers, Lamed Labs will be with you until the day you realize zero defects. Thank you.